guys, welcome back to another video. Today is episode 3, I believe, and I'm about to show y'all what came in the mail. Don't mind my hair. I'm getting it done Saturday. Okay, so but I'm gonna show y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on me. I have my clusters I told y'all about. Open it up because it's not focusing. I have my clusters I told y'all about. Y'all see it say my name, Winked Clusters. I wanted it to say that, and I wanted it to have like an ombre effect because I wanted it to match my my logo, you know. But I'm going to show y'all that how it looks on me, and I'm going to show y'all me adding it on my website, where I kind of already did because I was a little bit excited. Basically, how it's gonna look. If y'all see me looking down, I have this. Okay, all my episodes, and I got it all written down and stuff. Actually, wait, did y'all see my business card? I really ate with this because I really ate. And I'm gonna do one eye, or I might switch back and forth because I do want to make like a TikTok or reel or something like that. I have 8 through 16. I think it's CC curl or D curl, but we're about to see, okay? So I'm about to let the glue heat up, because actually I did want to get the full bonder and seal, stuff like that, but I just wanted to start off small because I wanted to see how it's gonna get off. But I wouldn't say the second order might be that, but we'll see how it's going. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, I did one eye and I stacked them on Instagram, TikTok, or whatever. But now I'm gonna do this eye on with y'all so y'all can see. So I grabbed the 16 from here. I grabbed 16, and I mean, since I don't got the bonder and stuff yet, we just gonna put some. Well, I put too much. Don't be like me, y'all. Don't be like me. I'm gonna put the mirror right here so I can see. We'll go up and put it not on the waterline at all. Perfect, just like that. We'll get another 16. I used, I think, 3 or 4 16s. I don't know. But they gonna look the same. Nice and easy. Ooh. Q-tip or whatever. But I'm a lash tech, so it's different. I mean, hair glue comes off so fast, to be honest with y'all. So we gotta redo that, cause yeah. I know some of y'all like to be independent, so I made sure I got some clusters, cause you know, why not? I already do good lash extensions. Why not have clusters as well to help y'all be independent? But and they're only $10. Like, they're only $10. I did this for y'all. I think I used 2, y'all. I think I used 2 and I overlapped it a little bit, like right there. Y'all, this not, I just messed this one up because I'm doing a video with y'all, okay? But this one will look good on the video, on the TikTok video, I promise y'all. But we'll get a 14 because y'all, I like my lashes on. I know y'all like 16s, so I gave y'all 16, okay? But I'm gonna let y'all mix it up, you know, to your liking. Actually, I'm done shaking this. We taking the cap off. And y'all can use the back of a comb too. If y'all got some hair glue, in the back of a comb. Get it. If y'all can see it, y'all can just put it all across the bottom, but not too much. And don't put that comb in nowhere that y'all don't want it to be. And then we're gonna lift it up again and place it right here. I kind of do like clusters, but as a lash tech, I want y'all to come to me, so I'm gonna say no. This the beginning, okay? Give it a little process, because I know y'all like to overlap. Or y'all can just do it like this. It looks natural. Like, don't look like my natural lashes. See, it looks natural. Y'all can do whatever y'all want to do. Okay, y'all, this is it stacked. And I like it. I really do. It's like, I should have got a brush, but it's really cute. I mean, y'all can add more, but this is how much I want mine to be. And this, y'all got like 2 rows of 16s, like 2 rows of everything, 8 through 16. So y'all better come get y'all one. Okay. So now I'm about to show y'all the stuff that I ordered on Amazon. Okay, these are things I've ordered. I ordered the labels, I ordered the packaging, I ordered the thank you cards, and I ordered the printer label. And they all came up to $125. You can get more in the last video I sent you guys, but I'm starting off like this because I want to get this first. Like, this is the first thing I have to get. And then I'll work to more, you know, getting other boxes and all that stuff. But I just wanted to show y'all the little basics and stuff like that, so y'all can know what y'all should get first. But I'm about to show y'all one more thing. Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing, and this is the website and the pictures and stuff. Okay, y'all, this is the online store. I did not make $15. It's just I did a little something. But let's go to my online store. Let's view my store. This is how it's looking, y'all. This is how it's looking. I got the trays right here when you first pop up. Well, no, I wouldn't say trays. The clusters when you first pop up. I have tag us. I have good collection just in case. And I have the clusters on here. But I'm going to add on the trays and stuff once they come. But I'm not going to publish this yet. Y'all going to see. I'm going to do a little surprise. I'm not going to show y'all when the trays come. But y'all seen that. And that's going to be the little... Yeah, that's how y'all gonna see it. But next time it's gonna change, and I'm not gonna show y'all. Y'all just gonna have to go look and go purchase. But I hope y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see y'all in the next episode. I never had thoughts that control me until something